Hello guys, this is Cynthia and I welcome you all to my channel The Chariot Tarot, and today I am here with the reading what's coming to you soon for the rest of October 2020. Okay, so for that I have these three piles over here. This is the pile number one with the with the brown fish stone. This is the pile number two with the green fish stone, and this is the pile number three, the last one with the beautiful blue stone. All right, so you can pause the video and choose intuitively with calm patience and three deep breaths. All right, let me begin with the first pile, that is the brown fish stone. The cards I have for you is the Tower, Page of Cups, Five of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles reversed, and the Five of Swords reversed. Definitely, there has been something bad in your past. You have suffered a lot in your past. You are not letting go of your past, and that is sort of giving you anxiety or depression. And the lot of up and down in your past is coming just because of the fact that you're not letting go of the past. So the message is here to leave your past, let go. Or if there's a person who has troubled you a lot in the past, you need to forget that person. Then only your fears, anxieties will be destroyed, and a major change will be seen here. Definitely major changes, some transformation is coming with the Page of Cups here. Some good news is coming that will change your mindset and help you release and let go of the past, give you the power to forgive people. You have been coming out of some illness or disease. You have come out, or you are suffering from that disease. For some of you, this is a very bad period going on for you, because we have the destruction, the Tower card here. There is isolation, depression, anxiety, some upheaval in your life. With this Five of Pentacles, you are suffering some operation, surgery, diseases. Definitely you are crippled with that. Not, you are not living life your full to your full potential, what I can sense here. With the Four of Pentacles, you are sort of given up your all your hopes on everything, and you are just releasing and distributing your wealth or the most valued possessions with the people you should not. And you are visiting more religious places, the churches and the cathedrals and the places like that, to seek divine blessings. You are approaching definitely a higher authority, or someone who is going to give you some offer job that is going to help you overcome out of this depression, anxiety, or the bad period, the dark days. And someone is going to give you this opportunity to increase your finances, which is going to bring money back to your life. And also I can sense this opportunity. Go with any opportunity that comes for to you in the rest of October 2020. That opportunity is going to heal you. That opportunity is definitely gonna make you come out of your disease. So this is the message that I have for the people who chose pile number one. Okay, your answer lies in choosing whatever opportunity comes your ways, guys. All right, now I have the reading for people who chose the green fish stone, or who chose the this pile number two. The cards I have for you is the reverse Page of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, three card, that's the Empress card, Knight of Swords, the Magician reverse. All right, and the Ten of Pentacles. Happy times are ahead, guys. No matter what you are going through, happy times are ahead. You have halted your work for long. You were in the creative field, but you have been halted that. Or maybe in the past, because of your varied creativeness, good creative qualities that you have achieved a lot of success. Or maybe if you have stopped doing your creative work, you should carry on that, because the end result is definitely going to be a success for you, gonna bring you a lot of money, good finances, as I can see. Knight of Sword is telling you to take action. The With the Magician being a skilled person in anything, you can be a content creator on Instagram or something like that. You have stopped doing your work, or you are just lazing around time. Don't do that, take action. The Knight of Pentacles is telling you to take action right now. Okay, don't be blind to your own faults. And Page of Pentacles, definitely a new opportunity is coming here, but you are reluctant to take full advantage of that opportunity, dear. Don't waste the opportunities. Don't knock the door twice. Okay, this opportunity is gonna bring you lots of money. The 10 number is highlighted here. It's gonna create end to your suffering here. Definitely. uh, with the 8 of Swords reversed, the conflicts and every pain of yours is gonna come to an end. Definitely, I'm seeing that rest of the October 2020, with the end of October 2020, a good time is ahead. uh, a lady love is gonna approach you. Oh, a lady love is gonna approach you, and your miserings are gonna end, provided you take action. You resume your work, you resume your wonderful work that you were doing. uh, Please accept the new opportunity coming your way. Lady love will come, then only money will come. Or maybe this lady love is gonna come to your life, but you are not just ready to marry her or be in a relationship. But I will suggest, move on. uh, Commit yourself to her, because she's gonna bring you a lot of good luck. Take action, start working. Your misery is gonna end soon. Good times are ahead. This was the reading for you, the people who chose this beautiful green fish stone. Alright, last but not the least, I'm gonna do the reading for the blue stone, people who chose this beautiful blue fish stone. The cards I have for you is the Two of Cups. Definitely, someone is gonna come to your life, or if someone is already there, commitment, marriage, wedding proposal. Yes, 10 of Cups. See, as I said, you are going to formalize your relationship with the man or woman, whomsoever you are, and you're gonna, marriage is foreseen here, happy marriage and possibly to children. And the Hangman, Knight of Wands, Ace of Wands, new beginnings. Definitely, the aces always brings the new beginnings, a lot of passion seen here. And the Chariot in reverse, stability to your relationship, guys. You are definitely in the 9 to 5 job here as the Hangman, or you are a very wise person, as it's seen here. You're a very wise person, or you are stuck in a relationship, or it's been a long distance relationship. This is love reading. As I can see here, love is coming to you. You're gonna commit yourself to some person in the end of October 2020. A happy marriage is foreseen. Stability, you are gonna settle down with this person. Finally, you are gonna have your own home. If you're traveling a lot, you're gonna finally settle down with this, your lady lover, your charming prince. And the Ace of Wands, new beginnings are coming to you after marriage. After your marriage is done, you if you are in the state of reluctance, not getting utilizing the good opportunities, Knight of Wands is telling you to be add passion to your relationship, your commitment. Okay, but this is reversed. You are definitely reluctant, or it means you are so much engrossed in work that you don't have any time for your family or your love person. But definitely, if you take out time, if you grab this new opportunity, the Knight of Wands is coming with passion to you, and passion is highlighted here with the card of lovers here. Good times will definitely approach you. Stability will come, if and only if you are sitting on bed. But if you wake up, start embracing the new opportunity with the Ace of Wands. You gonna get happy times, get married with this lover, and you gonna get a stable life, a home, only if you change your mind and make up for this new opportunity. So this was my reading for the pile number 3. So guys, subscribe, like, share to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram, the Chariot Tarot. And you can also, I give free reading there. You can DM me for a free reading. Just give me your name, date of birth, and I will give you a free tarot reading for love, career, success, anything, finances. So like, share, subscribe my channel. Bye bye for now.